The reason you don't know how to lay your frontal is because you already believe you can't do it. Let me tell you, it is not that hard. It is not even hard at all if you put your mind to it and you listen to instruction. With just 4 to 5 steps, you get your frontal well laid down and flawless. Okay? So today I woke up feeling love views can't stop me, never. One day, you guys will find a reason to watch my videos to the end and to watch my other videos. So first thing first you're going to do if you want to lay your frontal to get a perfect well laid frontal is to use edge control cream to lay down your hair down. Get so next thing, I apply my glue on my forehead, and this is just to secure my hair to make sure I don't get glue all over it when laying down my frontal. Okay, so I use my silicone spatula to just spread it all over my forehead, and you apply the generous amount of it. During this process, I didn't use hair dryer because as I was gluing my frontal, I was making makeup video too. I was doing my makeup. So I already uploaded that video on my YouTube channel. I'll put a link at the end of this video, so make sure you watch it. Okay, so I am using this HG wig cap because it looks so natural and very easy to work with when laying your frontal. I am in best position to tell you it is very easy to work with when laying down your frontal because I've tried the other wig cap and it was stressful, but this one just lay just where you want it to be. Okay, so I'm using my tail comb or styling comb to press it down so that it will stick to my forehead. In all honesty, HG wig cap is very easy to work with when laying your frontal down. And as a beginner, I would advise you to just use HG. Don't use the normal wig cap. Okay, so I'm using this to press it down, and after then I'm just going to be using my blade to cut off the excess. Okay, but one thing you want to make sure it is well laid down. Make sure each side is, like, especially this ear side around your ear, make sure it is very very well laid down because that side used to lift up. I don't know if it's just me, but that side, no matter how I try to lay it down, it do lift up. Like you can see right here, it has lifted already. I'm going to lay it down later on by applying excess glue, but for now I'm just going to be cutting off the excess with my razor blade. You can use your eyebrow blade, you can use scissors, anyone you are good with, but I am using this blade because I want to see what I am doing exactly. Okay, and one of the benefits of working with HD cap is that it is just so light that it lays down easily. Like it is so light, very thin, like skin like. I just when I was working with it, I was very very happy I used HD card for this process. Okay, so I'm going to be putting my glue remover on this and just to remove the excess glue on my forehead. Okay, so after that I'm going to be using my powder in my skin shade to like make the wig cap my skin type, to blend this to my skin. Okay, so I'm going to be using my powder brush all over my forehead because my frontal is quite deep. It's about 5 inches long. So I'm applying glue to that place that did not lay down, and I'll be using my fingertip to just spread it out, and after then I'm just going to press it down. And fun fact, it's laid down easily. Why? Because I'm working with HD cap. You see, I've worked with normal wig cap before when trying to lay my front out sometimes back, and I must tell you, it didn't came out clean and as less stressful as this one. It was very very stressful, so use HD cap when laying down your frontal. Okay, so now I'll be applying my glue on my forehead again, and this time I'll be applying it on my wig cap, and this time it is to lay down the main frontal. So I'm going in with quite a lot of it because I won't be reapplying 2 or 3 times. No, I won't be doing that because I won't be carrying this thing for too long. I want it to come off in about 4 or 5 days, so I won't be using too much glue. So I'm using this my brush. This is a makeup brush, so I'm using the tip to spread out the glue to the back. You can see I'm spreading it out to the back, not to the front, because I don't want it messy. Then I'll have to be cleaning up and all of that. No, I'm really maintaining that line. Okay, so after it has dried, I am going to wear my wig, and I'm going to lay down with my tail comb. Okay, so like I said, I didn't use air dryer while doing this look. I was applying my makeup, so I just let it dry naturally. So I let it dry up to the level that it has become transparent. Okay, so that is when you will know it is time to apply your frontal. So my frontal is pre-plucked, pre-styled, and yeah, tinted already. I've done almost the major work on my wig stand, so now I'm just laying it down. So just make sure it is well laid down, and if you see any place that is lifting up, feel free to add add extra glue wherever it's lifting up. Add extra glue to it so that it should be well laid down. So look for something that will glide on smoothly to lay it down. Okay, and make sure when laying it down you are brushing it too, so that it won't be sticky and all of that, so that you have that flawless frontal base that will be looking like your hairline. That is why I'm using my tail comb to snug it down. Like, I'm literally brushing it down at the same time I'm pressing it on my forehead. Okay, so this is a very simple way to lay down your frontal. And of course you have to tie your headband or whatever you want to use, but I prefer using this air wrap because it will make me to be in control of how tight I want it to be. And I must tell you, I made it very tight, very tight, so that it should be well laid down. The tighter it is, the more flawless frontal you will have. Okay, so now I am just going to go ahead and do the rest of my makeup off camera, and I'll be back with the finished look. So this is the finished look, but I'm just trying to touch up my makeup before I take the edge wrap down. Okay, so yeah, I am unveiling. Wait for it. Yes, this is it. Like, it is looking like what I want it to look like, but you're not done. Okay, you're not done. I'm using my brush to just blend it to my skin. Okay, so this is it outside, and here I'm just showing you what it looks like outside, but I still went ahead and styled it. I laid my edges, like you can see. I laid my edges because your edges and how you styled your frontal will determine the outcome, okay, the final result. So you have to lay your edges properly, and don't be too childish with it. Don't do those crazy curves and curves and that. Just make it simple and make it look mature. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to lay down my edges so as to make the frontal look okay, and just to make it look nicer. I don't want it to be just bland and nothing going ahead, and I don't want it to be looking crazy and too much going on here. You get what I'm trying to say? So make sure you lay down your edges properly. Edges laying is another course on its own, so I would advise you to check YouTube out so you will watch videos on how to lay your edges. Okay, like you can see, after taking out that portion, I use my blade in shaping it out before I actually lay it down, and I'm using this my spray bottle to spray that place that I want to lay down, so that it should just come out perfect and nice. Okay, so yeah, that is just the code of frontal. Know how to lay your edges when doing frontal, and you will end up with a flawless result. Okay, so that's what I am doing right here, and just trying to make sure it is well laid down and all of that. So when doing your frontal, be patient with it. The first outcome might not be nice, but with consistent practice, you will turn out to be a good a stylist. Okay, another thing is I didn't learn this anywhere. I learned by doing it on myself the first time, second time, third time, and eventually I got to know what to do and what not to do, because after trying for the first time and second time and some part didn't turn out nice, I will know, okay, don't let us do this again the next time. Okay, so I got my friend to help me remove my hair clip because I curled my wig, because I just wanted to be fast this day. So I asked her to help me, and here I am styling it. I'm going to be doing half up, half down a style, and that's why I use my headband again, so it will help me hold the frontal down so it won't move anywhere. Okay, so like I was saying, if you do it the first time and it didn't turn out very nice, it is fine. Okay, you can try it the second time and the third time. Even somebody that is learning and really learning, it's okay to make a mistake first time and second time, but with consistent practice, I'm very sure you will get a hold of it, and you might just come up with another way of making your own frontal installation faster. Okay, but the code is keep trying and don't think you can't do it. So this is me showing you what is it looking like here, and I'm going to be unveiling this look very soon. So I curled my hair and I didn't like the curl so much, but no problem. So this is the final look. It is looking very clean, very skin-like, very neat, very pretty, and very demure. I was very intentional about my edges, and it is looking very demure. I don't know how much they are laying frontal now, but I just saved myself some coins from going to the hairstylist to lay my frontal down for something that I'm going to remove today. I removed mine same day. Okay, so this is my full outfit. At first I didn't like the curls, like I said, because I felt I used the curling tongue I used was too big, the curly iron rather, but don't worry, we are good. Okay, so you can see the way it's giving skin, like I'm really telling you, it was good. Like when I reached that place that day, I got the best dress for that day. Okay, because it was a picnic, I got the best dress because everything was just working for each other. And yes, makeup by me, so check the video out on my YouTube channel. Okay, so this will be the end of today's video. I hope you like this look as much as I love it, and I enjoy making this video so much, and I will see you in the very next one. Bye.